Hey, if you lost one of your CMF buds, you can try to find them if you are still connected with one of the buds. So you will have to click on the settings icon in the right upper corner. This is actually the Nothing X application. Then you will have to go into the Find My Earbuds. And now let's say that you lost the left earbud, so you'll have to click on this button, tap play, and now the earbud is going to make sound. It sounds like this. So it will be useful when you lost your earbud, for example, in your home, in your office, or in the library. But when you are outside, probably you will be not able to do this. Unfortunately, it doesn't work like Find My with the Apple, where you can actually get the exact location on the map. But maybe it will actually help some of you. So this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.